Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to create the old photo effect. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is import the picture you want to put the effect on. Add an adjustment filter and select channel mixer. Adjust blue and red sliders to control the amount of detail and contrast in the image. Then create a new adjustment layer and select levels. Drag the black output level slider to the right and white to the left to apply matte style. Then add a vignette effect to draw the viewer attention to the center of the frame. Go to adjustment layers, select color fill, and go to effects and put gradient overlay. Recreate the gradient I just made and put the blend mode to screen. Put the opacity down to around 70%. Then I'm going to insert the dust and scratches texture, make sure it's covering my whole canvas, and then change the blending mode to screen. And then add the old paper texture effect. You can find these textures on Google. Make sure it's covering the whole screen, change the blending mode to multiply. And the best part is, if you want to change the picture, you don't have to repeat all these steps. You can just replace the picture below. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.